Hi, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mario.
And this is
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from... That's right, this is a box from Zenpop, Japan. You can go to Zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. Shall we open it up?
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh. Alright, so when you crack the box open, you'll see this thank you note. No, thank you! And then, this is different. You get this little postcard looking thing, which directs you to a website instead of the information sheet that they packaged before. For me, this is going to be a real big pain in the butt, but for you, it might work easier just to have it wherever you go. So, yeah, that's cool. Alright, so I'm going to look at each one of these varieties and tell you a little about it. Alright, first off, we've got the Sapporo Ichiban Wara Kagoshima Shabu Buta Shabu Ramen. So this is one from a fancy range that Sapporo Ichiban does. They're generally pretty good. I like them, and yeah, cool. And next up, we've got a Myojo variety. This is their rich, buttery Shio. So yeah, Shio is a salt ramen. It's not just like salt and water. It's good stuff. Plus, notice on top, it's got an extra sachet, so this should be a decent one. Next up, we've got this collaboration between Sapporo Ichiban and Riken, I believe. This is a wakame ramen. Wakame is a slightly crisp sea vegetable. It's not bad. The market's flooded with varieties that have it in it. Yeah, give it a shot. And check this one out. This one you've probably seen before. This is Marchan's Akai Tanuki Tempura Udon, and this one is the actual Japanese version. All you're going to find in the States are the export versions, so this is pretty cool. I'll be interested in how this one is. And here's another one from Marushan. This is their Umakara Tonkatsu Ramen. Looks like it's got a nice base to it. It should be pretty good. Generally their bowls like this are pretty good, so yeah, we'll check it out. And we've got a Ace Cook variety. This is their Yotsuba Rich Black Shoyu. This is a pretty big cup. It's got some heft to it, and generally the ones that are this size are pretty darn good, so looking forward to giving this a try. And finally, one that will give my daughter Mimi pleasure to no end. This is a Hello Kitty edition Ace Cook Mochichi Yakisoba. These Ace Cook cups are generally quite good, and this one has Hello Kitty on it, and she's already chomping at the bit to come check it out. So come on, come look.
Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Alright, so in this, the June 2021 Zenpop box, you get Hello Kitty, tempura udon, some shoyu, wakame ramen, tonkatsu, shio, more tonkatsu, a thank you note, and a card with information as to find out information on all the things in this box. Alright, well, cool. Thanks to the folks over at Zenpop for shooting this over. Hey, if you want to get one, go to Zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get a discount. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mario.
And this has been
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.